afternoon. Good afternoon and warm welcome to one and all for inaugural function of Professional Activity Center of Iete, New Delhi. I, Mrs. Vaishnavi Navli, Assistant Professor in Iete Department, welcome our today's Chief Guest, Shri P. Prabhakar, President, Iete, New Delhi. Dr. J.W. Bakal, Immediate Past President, Iete. Dr. Ashwini Kunte Ma'am, Zonal Mentor West. Shri S.P. Shinde Sir, Honorary Joint Secretary, Aissms Society. Dr. D.S. Kurmane Sir, Principal, Aissms College of Engineering. Mr. S.P. Dheke Sir, ISF Coordinator, Aissms COE. Head of various departments, respected faculty members and dear students. I welcome you all for Professional Activity Center of Iete, New Delhi inaugural function. May I request all the dignitaries on dais to proceed for our traditional auspicious ceremony of worshipping the statue of Shahu Maharaj and lighting of lamp. Thank you, dignitaries. I request Shri S.P. Shinde Sir, Honorary Joint Secretary, Aissms Society, to felicitate Professor P. Prabhakar Sir. Thank you, sir. I kindly request dignitaries on dais to release the Institute Membership Certificate awarded to Aissms College of Engineering by Iete, New Delhi. Now I request Dr. T.S. Kumar sir to please address the gathering.
Good afternoon, one and all. Respected Chief Guest of today's function, Professor Wing Commander P. Prabhakar, President Iete New Delhi. Respected Honorary Joint Secretary Sri Suresh Pratap Shinde sir, Heads of Department, faculty members, and my dear students. I am very happy to share on this occasion to thank President P. Prabhakar for meeting or sanctioning Professional Activity Center at Aissms COE. Today we are here to inaugurate that Professional Activity Center. Sir is going to announce that. We already got approval recently in the meeting. And yes, today there was a zonal seminar in Pune. So he was present for zonal seminar. So I requested sir to spare some time. We'll inaugurate this function and you'll visit to our college also. And we can address our student and faculty members. He accepted my request and he is sparing some time with us. Thank you sir for accepting this invitation. Just I will brief about my organization. This Aissms College of Engineering started way back in 1992 under the umbrella of Aissms Society, which is established way back 1917, 100 years back by His Highness Excellency Srimanta Shahu Chhatrapati Maharaj Kolhapur. Vision of the organization is service to society through quality education, and with the strong support of our Secretary Honorable Sri Malojiraj Chhatrapati, strong support of our Joint Secretary Shinde sir, Treasurer Patil sir, we all are trying to give the quality education through different aspects. It's not only we are limiting our this process to teaching learning only, but we are providing the platform to the students through various chapters and clubs. So this is one of the initiatives where the students, especially from electronics, electrical, computer, IT, are going to benefit by this series of workshops, seminars, and various activities. So we are running undergraduate programs in chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer engineering, electrical engineering, electronics, telecommunication, mechanical. We have two industry-oriented programs: mechanical sandwich and production sandwich. And recently from this year onwards, we are going to start automation and robotics also. This sandwich program speciality is that the students are getting opportunity to work in the industry for 1 year. They are spending 1 year in the industry and they are getting the practical exposure. That is the beauty of this program. We have similar PG programs in all the disciplines. I am also very happy to share with you that we have 5 research centers in our college. That is chemical, computer, electrical, mechanical. We are just waiting for ENTC. We are already having sister concern. That's why we are even latest to other civil also. We have 5 research programs. So a lot of research is going on, and quality research is taking place. Students are benefited because we are trying to have UG, PG research scholar combination, so there is a transfer of knowledge to this. And just I was mentioning, because of the contribution and support of all, our students are getting good outcome in terms of placements, in terms of the various activities. Academics is concerned, every year we are producing more than 30 plus rankers in university in various disciplines. That shows the quality. Of course, results are very good. There is no problem. Almost majority students are in first class and distinction. But I am talking about the rankers in university, top 10 of every discipline. Our students are always displaying that is the quality of the education. And just I was mentioning to give the value-added input to the students. We have various chapters, and through that the students are performing and showcasing their skill and potential. And recently, our two groups of students participated in hackathon. And software category students, they got first prize in hackathon of cash prize of 1 lakh rupees. They have given the solution to the Madhya Pradesh government. But in this hackathon, various governments are putting the problems in front of the group of students, and from all over India the teams are joining here, and in two groups from our college participated, and software category students got first prize in hackathon, and hardware category they got the sponsorship for a product to be developed, but the idea they have put in front of the committee. We have very strong NSS unit, sir, and which is working for social, various social activities and social contribution. We are also having Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, so under which we adopted 5 villages in and around Pune, where our student and faculty members are identifying the problems of the villages, and our students and faculty, they are providing the solutions to the villages under this Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. I am very happy to share that in 2 villages already solutions are given by our students. In one village there was a problem of purity of water. Impure water was there, they have made the analysis, and that's why many people were suffering with various diseases, and they have decided to help in that, and they have taken the help of the NGO and students and NSS units. They have installed the water ATM concept in that particular village, and they are getting now purified water, and also the Gram Panchayat is earning 15,000 per month through that ATM, water ATM. That is one of the concepts where students are contributed. In another village, Kalyan village near Pune only, so there is a dam which is located and very heavy rainfall is taking place, but unfortunately the water is not remaining not more than 2 months because of these leakages. And our civil engineering students, faculty, and some other students have done the lot of survey. They have find out, they have prepared the report, and that report is accepted by the government of Maharashtra, and they have sanctioned around 28 lakh rupees for that project, and they have designed as a pilot project. Of course, it's a government support, so we are waiting for that money come to us, but it is already sanctioned, and that is my aim is to just how our students and faculty members are contributing for the social activities. Similarly, we have IST chapter, we have IE chapter. IE chapter is very strong. Our ENTC department got 7 years consecutive prize best department chapter on the Kolkata center. I hope so. We are in this ISF also. We have 100 students in ISF. I was just sharing with you. We are organization members. We have 40 plus faculty members also, corporate members. And under ISF or ISF coordinator and department, they are conducting continuous activities for the students. And you know, you have witnessed 2 of our programs online before start of your tenure. When he was president-elect, at that time he joined as a chief guest, and he has seen the potential of our institute. That's why he is immediately accepted to sanction this professional activity center, and as well as to come for this particular inauguration function. So, and in mechanical also we have various clubs like Baha, Supra, Iete cycle, Garuda, where the students are preparing the vehicles from design to vehicle, participating in the competition. Even our students are participating in aero design competition. They are designing aero models, and they are participating every year at the USA, LA. Our team of 25 students are there, right from paper design. Yeah, and this recently our student got second prize at international level in this aero design competition. Why I am mentioning here? Because we, with the help of support of management, because they are supporting not only morally but financially, and also physically they are coming and giving inputs and suggestions, and they are suggesting the experts also, which is helping us to give the quality inputs for the students. And even in I think recently one competition is completed at Chennai. One of the group of our mechanical, they got first prize in that competition. And so I congratulate all the students, and I feel all the students they can take the benefit of this professional activity center where we are going to invite very eminent personalities. A very exhaustive list of resource persons is available with Iete. And they are not expecting anything for the delivering the lectures and experts. They are people from different domains, almost all domains, not only education. We are interlinked actually. The majority people in IT are from the defense, and R&D, the DRDO, industries. So many experts are there, and definitely there will be support from headquarters to conduct various activities, and we will take benefit of that, and assure that we conduct some various activities under this professional activity center. So thank you, sir, once again for spending your valuable time with us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your guidance, valuable words and motivation. Now I request Sri S.P. Kunde, sir, Joint Secretary, Aissms Society, to guide the faculty members and students present.
Om Namah Shivaya. I could not hear you all. Om Namah Shivaya. That's it. I welcome Professor Wing Commander Mr. Prabhakar. He has joined us with the efforts of Dr. Bolmane, so I should thank him also to take that particular pains. Actually, he had been here to Pune from Delhi for some other work, some other programs to attend it. And with the 11th hour request, he has accepted our invitation and he has come to us. I am very much thankful to him. Well, I've read his book, Professor Wing Commander. I will say Wing Commander Professor.
You like Professor?
Yeah. But because he has devoted his big part of his life for our Indian nation. Sir, I would like to share with you, defense have their own research centers for all the three departments, Indian Navy, Air Force and infantry, artillery, everything. They have their defense centers. Now they have coordinated themselves and they have made one central office for this particular activity. We are very much fortunate to call them here in our Aissms society, General and other entire team from Army. They have been here and they have discussed with us about the task, what research is required for defense industry. Very much other different faculties. Just now I could know Wing Commander Saab was also here in Pune in 1997. Just he was telling me about his experience. Now he is in Air Force. He was on the mission of having a talk with Navy, and that training, combined training with Navy and Air Force, he had been here in Pune in 1997, long back. So, interdisciplinary actions, why I am giving this example. Iete is a base where all the students are going to come here, but it is a base for all the departments what we have here in our engineering college. Around 8 departments we have with us here. The combination of that is going to help you for further research and further activity. That is required. And that is actually our aim. Now, Dr. Bormane told about our institution. Basically, 100 years old platform is established for All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society. they started, I would like to tell about it. They started, that was the time of World War. They requested the British government that we want to start with the army school. Everybody was surprised, why army school, 5-6 साल के बच्चे क्या करेंगे? But that time, Srimad Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj could explain him, we educate them right from their childhood and the discipline and army, what is army? Right from horse riding, everything we can start here and give them how to handle the rifles and all other things also. And British government accepted it, and then we could start this school. Sir, our school started before National Defence Academy and IMA Dehradun. That is actually, the credit goes to our Sriman Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj. That is the vision he has kept. And along with that, he started going up for the educational side in a very decent way. You know, India have n number of people of different castes. For that, our Sriman Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj made the hostels at Kolhapur. For every community, Muslim community, one hostel, Jain community, one hostel, Maratha community, one hostel. Like that, he has made several hostels, and as on that 2022 also, all are running in a very smooth and decent way. That is the development of culture. That actually, they have given us this particular platform. In 1992, we started this College of Engineering to develop all the students together. And we always only say that we are Indians and we are going to make a good Indian human being for our nation. Dr. Bormane has given the examples how the developments have taken place right from 1992 to 2022. Sir, only growth is not important. Growth, prosperity and success are two different things that every student, every faculty should realize. Only growth, 50 करोड़ से 100 करोड़ बिजनेस हो गया, 100 करोड़ से 500 करोड़ हो गया, उसमें मजा नहीं है. That is not our aim at all. Then progress is always going with ethics. You should have ethics, discipline, and that discipline we are teaching here and coming up with all those particular activities. A growth with progress is a success, and that success we are expecting from this Iete chapter from you all. You can do it well. I am confident about it that we can go together with mechanical engineering and other things also. Sir, this college now is a A++ institution with NAC. They have given under the roof of Bormane sir and other our faculty members, they have trained n number of colleges to have the NAC accreditation. That is, the credit goes to Dr. Bormane sir and the team what Aissms is having with them. Definitely, along with that, now we are proceeding towards the National Board of Accreditation for several departments of engineering departments, as well as one of the team is working on autonomous stage we want to achieve, so that we can make our own subjects of studies. And that time, definitely, this Iete center will be the key part of this particular activity. Dear students, you have chosen a right college at a right place. My dear students, we have a workshop here 24/7, even including Sunday, we keep it open to make your whatever danga you want to do it there. Not danga actually, you can do the research. But that is open out. Now, this year, the name again what I have told you about Sriman Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj. His 100 years we are celebrating. Iete team and including all other mechanical and other departments, we have decided to manufacture two-wheelers, e-vehicles, 100 vehicles in our premise. The students are going to manufacture it, and Dr. Burmane sir will decide what name we should give it to that vehicle. I have taken the responsibility of RTO. I will get it through, pass through that, and we will distribute it with the students and all the other people also. Environmental, we are always in a very particular way. We have rainwater harvesting, we have done it here. We have done what NSS is doing, that already Dr. Burmani has explained a lot about it. And I have personally visited those places and seen how the team is working. So that is a really enjoyable thing actually. 10-15 boys and 10-15 girls playing together for 10-15 days in a village. There is a remote place in Pune, nearby Pune. The girls who are going to be tomorrow's engineers, they are cooking themselves for all those 30 members. You know, some girls are washing their utensils. Really, it was a great pleasure. And working together after that on the side, that was a great pleasure. I have observed here that is a family we are making, one family, one India. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your guidance and always encouraging words. It's my privilege to introduce Professor Wing Commander P. Prabhakar, veteran, President, Iete, New Delhi. Professor Wing Commander Pradeep Prabhakar is a multi-talented, high-ranking veteran with a long list of academic and professional achievements, extensive administrative experience, and demonstrated leadership roles in the Air Force, academic institutions, and technical organizations. He was selected as a commissioned officer in the Indian Air Force in 1975. He was involved in field trials of Indra Mark I radar, which was made indigenously. He was also instrumental in performing multiple tests at Iete sites, including the Defense Laboratory in Jodhpur on several defense electronic sensors. He has commanded 2 Air Force high-tech field training units. He has worked as an academician, researcher, and director principal in numerous institutions in the state of Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh over the past 25 years. In order to better assist the aspiring society, he joined the professional society called Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers, IET, in 1979. He has received several honors and awards from a number of distinguished organizations. He has also received Rotary International's prestigious International Excellence Award in Teaching. Thank you. We are happy that you are here with us today, and I request you to guide us.
Thank you very much for speaking such nice words. Especially and Secretary of this organization, and Dr. Varmane, Principal, and my colleague in the IET, in the Governing Council, faculty members, HODs, and most lovable, my dear students. So the question was the incoming commander of the professor, before joining Air Force, I was teaching. From teaching, I went to Air Force, back to teaching. Because teaching is a very noble cause, those who know. And the best part of teaching is not the money. It is the students who you train. And they beat you after some time, you forget your students because they grow. You remain same, but they definitely grow. And they come and meet you and they tell, sir, this is what now we are because of what are the contribution we could do. So those are the things, and I must thank the management especially. I've been the management also, I'm the partner in 2 engineering colleges, so I know when the management is strong, the college is bound to go up. Because the management will decide the facilities and they arrange the funds. There's a difference between the government colleges and the private colleges. Because here the decision is very simple. Sometimes software which is very costly or any equipment is required, it is purchased within a week. In a government system, it takes its own time. Even the government universities takes its own time. So getting the facilities done up, arranging workshops, seminars, and spending money is much easier by the management if they are goal oriented and student centric. Everyone is talking about India is a emerging economy. We have already become 5th economy in the world. The time is coming when we are achieving, leaving others, Germany and other people, maybe it's a matter of time now. And this professional activity center, which Dr. Borman is very right, hardly in the council we took not more than 2 minutes to finalize, yes, why not? Why not? Because all the credentials you have got, you are the Aissms, you are the organization member, you are doing the professional activities. Basically, Iete is for the promotion of science and technology. And definitely, if the professional activities are happening, is being organized, we are more than happier. We are playing the role helping in the government of India. That is why we are recognized as a zero certified industrial research organization, government of India, and national eminence in education. Both the credits are there to the Iete. Because government understands what profession body like, which was, you all know, 1953, it was inaugurated no less than Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was the acting vice president. And whatever the, in memorandum articles, that this Iete was formed, those whatever enshrined there is still applicable. We are talking about research, we are talking about exhibition, professional activities, all were listed in 1953. Mostly those times, those are founders, they thought of this is the way to go forward. When IITs were not there established, Iete thought of starting a graduate examination. Our graduateship examination started in 1959. The first batch passed out, and as on date, we have more than 10,000 students have done a degree, AMIT, plus diploma and postgraduate ARCCB program, which is equivalent to MTech. And it is a credit to the Iete. The performance of the AMIT, those who are passed out, is the credit. At present, they are holding various positions in academia, research organization, and other professional body. So this is the base of an Iete, and then we are in the area of research. We have got Board of Research, Innovation and Standards, like the program which we had at the college where I came. So the professional program, which is research-oriented program, especially in electrical vehicle, which Dr. Bormone also said, you know, they're coming out the two-wheeler now. The issue is basically with the students, innovation, innovation, innovation. How that will come? Because it is you who have to come up with the solutions. You know the country well. And luckily, we are at this stage, the demography is in our favor. We are a young nation. Average age is 29 years. So that is why everybody is talking that India is going to be the superpower. How? The young people like you. Who will take it forward? That is why this facilities which the management is establishing now will take you forward. And it is, you have to take that kind of projects, and I request the faculty member also to take that the projects of the live projects. They have to get attached with the industry. I happen to meet the industry leaders by virtue of being a president of IT because they are also a member. As long as the government is giving a lot of incentives to the industry. PLA scheme, those who know the productivity linked incentives which are giving so that the production is more units are coming. Even incubation centers, your any startup is there, government has moved practically helping to start up to 10 crore rupees, no collateral. So the point comes, the students especially, those who are third year, especially final students, those who are about to pass out, go for your entrepreneur. Set up your own things. That has to start as a startup here. Get into, rather than job seeker, give the job giver, number one. And number two, the skilling. There is certain things are in the curriculum. Every curriculum, biology, engineering, whether you do it from here or do it from anywhere, whether you do it from London or you do it from New York, more or less syllabus is same. Okay, 90% syllabus is same. The only difference comes is the value addition. The value addition is beyond the classroom. किताब में syllabus में एक तक तो stage तक है. Board of study ने बताया इतना syllabus था, but things are moving so fast, especially in every department. It's not that a civil is lacking, civil is also become very, I call it smart civil engineer. Same as mechanical is not a mechanical now, it is becoming mechatronics because they are also to be the part of electronics. So nobody can, no branch of engineering cannot work without a data analytics. No branch can work without the data or the other tools which are required, softwares. So most of the designing part, even the mechanical engineer, CAD, CAM, all softwares, they have to be very, very proficient. Even the same as the civil engineering, ANSI and all those kind of software. So they have to be proficient. And mostly, as engineers, you are basically on your laptop. Okay, most of the design you do it on your laptop now with those kind of software tools which are available. So with this, basically, if you are able to do live projects, तो ultimately as an engineer, आपको सारे लाइफ में projects ही करने हैं. Comfort stage you are, even if you are setting your industry, even industry things also keep changing. आज के इसी time पे, you know, all of those who are young may not know, most of the electronics was in the balls. You have not seen the ball kind of a technology. And after that, transistors came, then VLSI, LSI, and then microprocessors and everything has gone up. We never had a fiber, but the fiber optics came, the whole concept changed. And now everything is mixing. You take the 5G, IoT, we have got fiberized networks, that modern networks where you all feel in the internet what is happening. But these things are helping, enabling engineers to perform better. He never had this kind of laptop, what you have got. He worked on a slide rules. Most of our calculation used to be slide rules. Okay. Okay. But now, everyone has got devices, fast, quick, so that you can do much more. As another thing which has come, the change, which is a very positive change, is a research information. All the research articles which are published is on your desktop or the laptop. Search it, anything, and you'll find the latest information is there. In our days it was not there. We used to go to library, search for those kind of journals, and then wait for that sometimes journals to come forward and so that we can read it. Even books are not there. Sometimes books are very rare to get those books. So now but that is freely available on your laptop, your systems have become very fast and quick, and you can download your systems. One of the college in 2010 or so, the student told me, sir, faculty is not up to the mark. Because in Himachal, even the fertility going in is not an easy thing, and hilly terrain and people are not available there. So we used to call weekend, I converted the whole process so that we work on Saturday, Sunday more, so that faculty from other places like from Chandigarh could come there. But then I told students, the technology is there. I'll get you best of the YouTube lectures of, we are lucky to have in India best of teachers available. I'll get you all the lectures, recorded lectures on whatever subject you want. They all are available. Only you need a system. So I got for the Reliance Communication, work together to take the line of sight communication to my college, right from Chandigarh, taking up the uphills, then taking the college downhill, direct line of sight communication, so that the students can get that kind of a data speed. So they were all able to see those best of the lectures delivered by the various teachers available in India and abroad. In India itself, we have got names who are the good teachers, and I used to, with one of the university, when things were coming up, is the teacher who will earn maximum, even now. If you're on the internet, and if you're good, everyone wants to listen, they learn from you. Only then you must know to show that you are good. Even if you charge 1 rupee per hour, if you have got 1 lakh students attending your, if the technology is available, you make 1 lakh rupees every hour. Only thing you have to the credential to see that you are good. So that is the kind of a technology is enabling. It is available, and these days during the COVID time, online we have seen it is performing well and it's still performing. Our industry has worked, academic institutions have worked, so that has shown us a path, and definitely with the 5G and other 6G coming, IoT devices, like I said, the fiberized towers and all, it's a matter of time. This is, you all know that we are getting into that. Every month of October, we'll be getting into this kind of a field so that you can really realize what is the quantum jump in the technology. So just a matter of months. Okay, Reliance most probably is going to launch by October, similar there. So with this kind of, when the information flow available, and then you need a facility which the college has provided. He said Sunday your workshop is open or your laboratories are open. It's a treat. I just share, I have done a pioneering work with the nanofields and the aluminium, gold and silver particles. So only laboratory was in the Thapar University at Patiala. So I used to go for my college at Solan to the Saturday, Sunday working, and I used to see labs are open and students are working. IITs, they are not 24, they are 24/7. Any IIT, when I was doing MTech, anytime, computer is open, lab is open, even the hostels are open. If you are in that kind of environment, definitely you are bound to go up. The facilities are required and you have got a will to do it. So once you have got a will, you have always achieved. So in the end I say, to motivate you all, it is we as people who break the barriers. ये आप ही नहीं जो चट्टान, देखो चट्टान के अंदर से अगर रास्ता बनाना है तो आप ही को निकालना है ना, वो मेहनत आपको करनी है, रास्ता आपको निकालना है और रुकना नहीं है. Carry on, do this thing. So luckily your college has got all the now, as an Iete we can provide. You have got a professional activity center, you have got a organization membership, then you have got Aissms. So kindly continue carrying on this exercise of various professional activities in Aissms. You are the one, the committee decide what is to be done. So carry on any professional activity, and that is a hackathon or any competition, presentation, so that you can exchange information, because peer learning is also very important. Okay, so with these words, I wish you all the best, and I hope this institute does well, lot of professional activities. Thank you very much. Good day, bye.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words and motivating students for undertaking innovative projects and for entrepreneurship. It was nice to hear you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request Professor S.P. Gunde, sir, Head ENTC Department, to present a vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. We come to close this wonderful inaugural session. It's my privilege to prepare a vote of thanks on behalf of Aissms COE. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude towards today's chief guest, Professor P. Prabhakar sir, who spared their time and graced the occasion. Today we had opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will be useful for us for future program. I would like to express my profound gratitude towards our Joint Secretary, Sri Suresh Pratap Shinde sir. Sir is always motivating us for such type of activities. I am very much thankful to our Honorable Principal Dr. D.S. Bormane sir for his constant encouragement and support to organize such type of activities. Lastly, I am very much thankful to all head of the department and students for participation. Thank you.